Hello and welcome back to Get Great at Maths. I'm here to help you pass your maths exam, so hit that like and subscribe button. We're going to look at keywords, key formulas and how to gain top marks. So let's get ready to get great at maths. This is a question on place value, and in this question you have been given a number. I'm just going to read the digits, otherwise I'm going to give away the answer. So we've got 9, 6, 5, 8, 2, 1, 4. And you've got to click the statements that are true. So which ones are correct out of the 4 that have been given? And this is worth 2 marks in the exam. So that means at least 2 of these are going to have a tick in, because it says put a tick, not a cross or circle. You've got to put a tick in the boxes. Now your key facts. You need to remember your place value. So if we start on the right hand side with the easiest one, with the ones, you've got your ones, you've got your tens, you've got your hundreds, you've got your thousands, you've got your tens of thousands, you've got your hundreds of thousands, and then you've got your million. So these are your key facts, these are your place value headings. Okay, remember 1 million has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros behind it for 1 million. Okay, so press pause, think about which of these statements are true, and then press play when you're ready to hear the answer. Fantastic. Hopefully you've read through these sentences and you've worked out which ones are correct and which ones aren't correct. So it tells us on the first, the 5 represents 50,000. So 50,000. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, and the 5 is in this column here for the 50,000. So we've got the tens of thousands. So we've got the ones, the tens, the hundreds, the thousands, the tens of thousands. So this, if I put all the other digits afterwards to be zeros, I've got 50,000, which is the same as this, 50,000. So 50,000. So the digit 5 represents 50,000. It is in the right column for 50,000. Yes, it is. The next one says the value of the 9 is 900,000. So when we're looking across here, I've got ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands. So I'm looking for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digit across. So on here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the 100,000 column. Is the 9 in the 100,000 column? No, it's not. So this is not correct. So you leave this box blank. Don't need to put anything in it. The next one says the 6 represents 6 million. And my million is this M here on the end. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros, and then the 7th number. So coming across, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th number. For the millions, we've got 9 million. So we would say this number is 9 million. And the question says the digit is 6 represents 6 million. So that is incorrect as well. So we leave this blank empty as well. So this is not correct. It is 9 million, not 6 million. Now it says the value of the 2 is 20 tens. Now, don't let this one confuse you. Okay, the tens column is this one here, so the second one from the right. This is the tens column, but we've got 20 tens, and all that means is 20 times 10, 20 lots of 10. 20 times 10 is 200, so it's looking at, is the 2 in the hundreds column? So we've got the ones, the tens, the hundreds columns. Yes, the 2 is in the 100 column, so you need to tick the last box. Now have a go at saying this number out before I say it. See if you can work out how you actually say it. So hopefully you've managed to realise this is 9,658,214. So it's really important that you can read large numbers, so you could write them down if you needed to in terms of numbers or in terms of words, so you understand what these numbers mean. Give yourself a big tick if you got that correct. Well done. The mark scheme on this question shows the answer is the top one and the bottom one. You will get 1 mark if you did 2 answers correctly with 1 incorrect, and you would get 1 answer if you only ticked 1 of the boxes rather than 2 of the boxes. So just be careful, this was 2 marks, and make sure you do 2 boxes to get the 2 marks. If you found this video useful, please share, like and subscribe so we can all get great at maths. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Please follow Get Great at Maths on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook and X. What do you want to see next on Get Great at Maths? Please comment below. See you next time.